Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Tricky from Subway Surfers on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hat here. So for the hair, I used this hair in this color. I think it was EEB36F, yeah. And then for the bangs, I used this one in bangs only in that same color. For the hat, I used this cat beanie in the toggle no ears. Positioned the Z at 0.47, rotated the X to 0.82. Then I used this color 98111F4. Sorry. I selected this these jeans, color it this color, and toggle it to the Y2K low rise. Then we're going to get this belt here, toggle it to the Y2K low rise as well. For the top, I'm going to use this top here in white, in matte. Then I'm going to use these glasses here in black and like the skin color. Then I'm going to use these for the pants underneath. And if you have VIP, you can put this on, but if you don't, you can use the shoes outside. I'm just going to use these ones in, I think, white, and then I did gray. Then I did green, and then I did orange. For the skateboard, use this one in the first toggle. Color the back of it like this dark gray and glitter. Maybe like a little bit darker, actually. Never mind. And then color the skateboard orange. Then the writings in red, and then I did blue. And then I did blue again for the wheels here. But obviously it's up to you like how you want to color your skateboard. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!